The Challenger disaster. On January 28, 1986, the Space Shuttle Challenger was scheduled to launch from Kennedy Space Center in Florida. It was the 25th shuttle mission. 7 astronauts were on board. The launch was special because one crew member was Krista McAuliffe, a teacher. She was the first civilian selected to go to space. Schools across America tuned in. Classrooms filled with students watching live. Everyone was excited, inspired. Space exploration was coming to their classrooms. It was a cold morning. Temperatures had dropped to 36 degrees the night before. Engineers expressed concerns about O-rings in the solid rocket boosters. Cold weather could compromise the seals, but the decision was made to proceed with the launch. At 11:38 a.m., the countdown reached 0. The shuttle's engines ignited. Flames and smoke billowed. Challenger lifted off. It rose into the clear blue sky. Everything looked perfect. Students cheered in classrooms across the country. It was 73 seconds into the flight. Then, disaster struck. At approximately 11:39 a.m., Challenger exploded. A massive fireball erupted. For a moment, nobody understood what happened. The crowds at Kennedy Space Center stood in stunned silence. On television, commentators fell silent. The camera stayed on the smoke trail. The 7 astronauts were dead. Commander Dick Scobie, pilot Michael J. Smith, mission specialists Judith Resnick, Ellison Onizuka, and Ronald McNair, payload specialist Gregory Jarvis, and teacher Krista McAuliffe, all gone in an instant. The spacecraft fell for 2 minutes and 45 seconds, crashing into the Atlantic Ocean at over 200 miles per hour. The investigation revealed the O-rings had failed, just as engineers feared. And like that, a moment of hope turned into a moment of horror that defined a generation. The superhero wrestler.